What would your message be to the Filipinos in the UAE as well as their families? And maybe a message as well to our kababayans there on the responsible use of social media, especially amid the regional tensions happening.
Yes, actually, we issued a new advisory. We've been issuing advisories, and for the safety of everyone, first of all, manaligo tayo dito. We are safe. We are confident with the protection of the UAE government and its effective defense system. Yung panawagan ho namin na makinig lang po sa official na mga sources sa embassy, sa mga official news outlets dito sa UAE, sa Ministry of Interior for example. At wag na po tayo mag-post ng mga kung ano-ano pa pan po dahil nakakadagdag pa ho yan sa kaba. Tsaka may security issue din dyan, baka nagagamit as an intelligence source yung mga napopost nyo kasi. So, let's all continue to be vigilant. Yung stay safe in our shelter, in our houses kung may madinig tayong alerts. And let's hope for the best. Manaligo tayo na ginagawa na lahat ng paraan ng ibang bansa para matapos na ho itong sigalot na ito.